What if AI could build your store's widgets in seconds and generate content for all your social media platforms, so you can stop designing and focus on selling? Meet AiTrillion, AI widget generator and AI social post generator, the fastest way to create engagement-driven and conversion-focused widgets powered by artificial intelligence. How it works: simply start by choosing a widget you want to create. Urgency, engagement, sales and offers, trust and social proof, seasonal and creative. The AI writes content and creates visuals that match your brand. See a live preview, then embed it into your Shopify theme with just one click. No coding, no designers. How it looks on your store. AiTrillion also introduces the AI Social Content Generator, your shortcut to creating ready-to-post social content for your all social media platforms. Let's create your first post. Click on Generate Your First Post to get started. Now just fill out a few quick details so the AI can generate your content. Enter your store or website link. Next, describe what you want to post. Then choose your store industry. Select your content tone. Next, pick how many versions you want. Once everything's filled out, click Generate Content. The AI will instantly create platform-specific content for you. You'll get ready to post content for all your channels: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and even SMS. Just copy the text and post it directly on your desired platform. That's it. In just a few clicks, you've created conversion-ready content for your entire BFCM campaign, powered by AI. This isn't design as usual. This is AI creating for you, so you can focus on growing. Stop designing, start converting. Try AiTrillion, AI widget and social post generator today. Generate, plug in, convert,